In this video, I'll show you how to use system prompts in Claude AI. System prompts help guide how Claude responds by giving it specific instructions about behavior, tone, or rules. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" To simulate a system prompt in Claude, I'll start by giving Claude clear instructions about how it should behave during the conversation. For example, I might type something like, "Act as a professional marketing expert and provide clear, step-by-step answers." After typing the instruction, I'll click the send button. Claude will now respond while following the instructions I provided. From this point forward in the conversation, I can continue asking questions and Claude will try to follow the rules or role I set at the beginning. For example, I might ask, "Create a marketing plan for a small online business." Claude will generate the response while following the expert role and style I defined earlier. If I want to change the behavior later, I can simply send another instruction that updates the guidelines for the conversation. And that's it. I've successfully used a system-style prompt in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.